For his hair, I did reach for As I Am's Rosemary Styling Mousse. Yeah, and you might be wondering, well, is this going to be able to do exactly what a leave-in does? Because a leave-in is going to leave my hair moisturized. That thing ain't going to leave my hair moisturized. This will leave your hair moisturized. Follow up with an additional styling product, and we're going to hit them with some spritz, the Rosemary Water. Both of these guys together are adding in moisture. Whenever I use a mousse, I always make sure that I smooth it into the strands. You can't just take products and just slap, and then that's it. Like, you literally need to work it in no matter what, whether you're using a leave-in or you're using a styling mousse. So that's why you see me parting his hair with my hands. Like, guys, you don't need to be a master of parting your hair. You just need to be able to push the hair around and just grab what is, or what looks like, a small corner of your section of your hair and just smooth the product in. That's all I'm doing here, is smoothing it in. And of course, we gotta add more water. But this time I'm not just adding regular water, I'm adding the rosemary water. This is just gonna add another layer of moisture. Now make sure to hit the follow button so you can see part 4, where we're gonna use the gel to really get these curls to pop.